Hello sellers, welcome to Builderfly Seller University. Product cataloging is one of the crucial and time-consuming tasks. When you spend hours updating your product catalog for your online store, you definitely don't want to put the same efforts updating your product across different sales channels. Builderfly makes this experience of selling online easy with the integration of sales channels like marketplaces and social selling platforms. It can be a case that you are selling with any of the merchants who are not partnered with Builderfly. To grow your business across the globe with such e-commerce merchants, you can download your product catalog from Builderfly from the Export section. From the One Management section of your Builderfly dashboard, go to Products and click on Export. Select the file format in which you want to export the product catalog. CSV format is often preferable. From here, you can choose the attribute labels you don't want in your product catalog file and click Export. This is how your downloaded product catalog will look like. Now you can try downloading the catalog on your own, and we will meet you again in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.